Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'm going to make ginger pork. Ginger pork is one of the most popular homemade dish in Japan. The reason is that the way is so simple and we can make it with few ingredients. If you don't have sake and mirin, you can use ginger ale instead of them. And best of all, it's very tasty. Yes, let's go! First, I'm going to cut the vegetables. This is an onion. I cut the both sides and peel off it. Then I cut the onion into half and trim the stem off. And then I slice it at 2 cm intervals. Actually, I like the onion in pork ginger, so I'd add an onion all. But it may be a little bit too much. It's okay to use half an onion. Okay. Next, this is a half cabbage. First, I trim the stem off and divide it into half to slice it easily. Okay. When I slice a cabbage, I usually cut the fibers. And in order to slice comfortably, I roll up it and add the pressure on it to flatten. I'm going to slice it very thinly. I think thinly sliced cabbage is the best garnish for ginger pork. This crunchy texture is so good, and the fresh cabbage refreshes our mouth. Okay, done. Next, I'm going to grate a ginger. This ginger is about 20 grams. I grate it with skin. I grate it all. Okay. And then I'm going to make a sauce for ginger pork. I add 30 grams sake, 30 grams mirin, 30 grams soy sauce, at last 15 grams sugar. And I mix well until the sugar dissolves. Good. Next, I'm going to cut the sliced pork belly. This is 300 grams pork belly. I cut them at 5 cm intervals. Nice. I add them into the sauce. Okay. Then I mix and separate them. And I cover them with a plastic wrap to soak them completely. Okay. I stand it for 15 minutes at room temperature. 15 minutes later, I'm going to stir fry onion and pork. I add the oil and turn on the heat. I spread the oil entirely. And I add the sliced onions. I stir fry them over medium heat until they become transparent. I stir fried them for 3 to 4 minutes. They were almost cooked. If you like well done onions, please stir fry more. Okay, and I add the pork belly with chopsticks. Please keep the remaining sauce aside. I will add this sauce afterwards. I stir fry them over high heat to brown them. The tip is to brown them well, because the browned pork is coated with the sauce easily. It ensures us to make thick and beautiful ginger pork. A few minutes later, the pork is cooked and start to brown. I sometimes stir them not to burn. Okay, they are nice browned. Once I remove them from the pan, and set aside for one moment. Then I add the remaining sauce to the pan and add 10 grams soy sauce. Turn on the heat again. Simmer it down until the sauce will be thick and rich. I add the pork fat too. And I move the pan not to burn it. Okay, the sauce becomes thick and rich. I return the pork and onion to the pan and mix them over high heat. The pork will be coated with sauce and gradually it becomes fried. A few minutes later, amazing! The pork is beautifully browned. Let's arrange on a plate. And I place thin sliced cabbage too. Okay, done. Let's eat them right now. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I made ginger pork with pork belly. The key is to brown the pork well and to simmer the sauce down. These 2 points are very important. I hope you enjoy ginger pork. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.